Hey everybody, Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and if you are a water sports enthusiast, you're looking for that perfect crossover boat, the boat that just does it all perfectly, day boating, surfing, all your water sports, or you just want to relax and spend a great day on the water, take a look at the new R6 Surf from Cobalt. The hydrodynamics of the hull are absolutely incredible, and we're going to take you through and show you some of the really cool surf features. So Cobalt certainly does a great job mixing this classy, beautiful boat with a hull design specific for this R6 Surf to give it maximum hydrodynamics and maximum wave creation. But you do get some of the finer things in life with a Cobalt, like a windlass anchor up front, beautiful docking lights, stainless rub rail, nice bow and snap-on bow and cockpit cover, oversized electric folding bimini. But as we work our way to the back of the boat is where the surf portion really starts to come to life. Beautiful graphics going down the side, and since Cobalt is a Malibu-owned product, you're getting all new Surfgate technology. Absolutely helps build that perfect surf wave. You also look at that patented forward Volvo drive. That drive is actually a special drive built for Cobalt to allow the hydrodynamics to pull in more water to give you even a better, more precise surf wave. Get back on board and we're going to take a look at some of the creature comfort stuff. Obviously a nice huge swim platform with very easy access into the cockpit area, big sun pad on the back, and an awesome sound system. The Harman Kardon sound system is absolutely incredible. As we go through the video, you're going to notice the lights are changing non-stop. The backrest can be flipped forward to give you this nice big chase lounge in the back of the boat. And there's also a convenient flip-up backrest built right into that sun pad, great for getting ready for all those water sports and all those surfing activities. So as we enter the Cobalt R6, we're continually going to talk about two separate things. The ability to surf and do water sports, but also the elegance and the comfort that comes with a Cobalt. You work your way inside this R6 and the absolute classy Cobalt design and styling. Their beautiful upholstery work surrounds you. You have everything from all those cup holders nice and out of the wind, the beautiful fabric, the Harman Kardon stereo, grab rails, all the little features one would expect in a premium boat like a Cobalt. Flip the passenger seat forward and you got this nice aft facing lounge. Works great for when you're watching your kids or your friends surf behind the boat. Simply flip the backrest backwards and you've got this oversized forward facing seat. Very comfortable. Cup holders down below, more sound system, storage areas. A very, very good looking setup there from Cobalt. Work our way over to the driver's side and you're going to get one of probably the most comfortable helm seats in the industry. Absolutely incredible. While we're over here, we're going to talk a little bit about the helm. Also talk a little about little things like the windshield. Notice how that windshield is squared off. It really does add interior volume to this boat when you stand back and look at it. The interior space is incredible. Work our way over to the helm. We'll be able to talk a little bit more about surf stuff like their dash and their dash controls. Very easy for filling your port forward and starboard ballast tanks. They are hard ballast in this boat. The boat itself weighs 6,100 pounds roughly, additional 2,350 pounds of ballast. So that's awfully nice. Take a look underneath here. You're going to have easy access to your stereo controls, tilt wheel, windlass anchor controls, your power arch controls are right down underneath. And it does have heat, and your heater controls are right down underneath there. Wireless phone charger, just a lights out looking dash. Work your way across from that, and you're going to have matching head compartment door that also has a glove box. And I love the way they do that carbon looking fabric across the top. That looks really, really sharp. Speaking of the head compartment, yes, a surf boat, all out surf boat with a full head, sink, solid surface countertops, very good looking seagrass flooring, porcelain electric flush head, very nice lighting. That is a premium head for any surf boat. As we continue to work our way forward, you're going to see that oversized water sports mirror. Obviously that could be mounted on either side. And take a look at the bow seating in this. Again, all one level going to the bow of the boat, and it's very nice. It's very well finished, very comfortable. Love the different use they have in upholsteries. Again, the Harman Kardon system, stainless grab rails, oversized stainless cleats, and way up here in the front is actually where your windlass anchor is housed. Simply flip it up, you can see your windlass is there. Windlass controls are right on the inside. Just a very, very good setup there from Cobalt. The seating in the front is very deep. I like the way they do the flip down armrest. Those are very sharp. This interior color, the caramel carbon, is a very popular setup. Work your way a few other little features. Obviously cup holders down and out of the wind. USB plug-ins to each side of the bow, so that way your passengers can be plugged in. And under all the front seats, you have an abundant amount of storage. I really like the front one here. That can be used as a cooler as well, but just a nice big large storage area. Storage underneath on the port side there, and then underneath the starboard side front seat is massive. You can see I got the bow and cockpit cover in there. Very big area. And then your Harman Kardon equipment is down in there as well. Talking a little bit more about Surf, in the very bow of the boat you have your bow ballast tank. Again, a hard ballast tank, very convenient and easy to get to. Just behind that you have the large in-floor locker held up with struts, all gasket sealed, fully drainable. That's also where the cockpit table can go. And if you look down underneath there, the cockpit cover poles can be mounted in there as well. And if you work your way directly behind that, you're going to have the boat's water tank directly there, easy to access. And if we take the seat off, you're going to see the Harman Kardon sub under there, but then you're also going to see your holding tank is right in there. Directly behind the port side seating there, you've got your garbage along with all your pop-out breakers and your battery switch. Everything is nicely labeled and easy to access. Behind the driver's seat on the port side is a built-in cooler, very nicely done, held up with a stainless strut. Also gives you a good view of the grab handle underneath that port side jump seat, or starboard side jump seat. So before we exit the inside of the boat, we'll talk more about two things. Accessibility to the engine, which is remarkable. Cobalt does this better than anyone in the industry. Nice double strut, stainless steel hardware, gasket sealed, keeps it nice and quiet, but look at the room and accessibility you have. Regarding Surf, you can see you have your starboard ballast tank, hard ballast over there. Port hard ballast is over here. Again, all three ballast tanks are going to bring you up to 2,450 pounds of total ballast. Ballast pumps are right underneath us there. Batteries are very easy to access. Just a very sharp looking motor compartment. This boat is powered by the 380 horse V8 from Volvo, closed cooled motor. Absolute awesome power plant matched with that forward drive. It is amazing. So there's a quick walk around of the R6 Surf. Truly a near tournament surf boat with the fine luxuries that one would expect in a beautiful Cobalt. Kind of like that windlass anchor, the electric flush head, the big Harman Kardon sound system, the dash. Everything adds up. It is packaged on a tandem axle Heritage custom trailer, truly making this one of the best values in the industry when it comes to surf boats. Again, I am Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. I'd be glad to answer any questions you have or set up a time to view. And again, I thank you for your time watching our video.